Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the constant buzz of notifications, the endless scroll of social media, or the never-ending stream of emails? In today's world, technology is both a blessing and a curse. It connects us, but it can also distract us. This is where Stoicism, an ancient philosophy, can offer some valuable guidance. Imagine you're sitting at your desk, ready to work on an important task. Suddenly, your phone lights up with a notification. You think, "I'll just check it quickly." Before you know it, 30 minutes have passed, and you're deep into an Instagram rabbit hole. This is the kind of distraction Stoicism teaches us to overcome. Stoicism emphasizes the importance of focusing on what we can control and letting go of what we can't. Technology, with its constant demands for our attention, can easily pull us away from what truly matters. But by applying Stoic principles, we can regain control. For example, think of your attention as a garden. If you constantly allow weeds or distractions to grow, your garden will become overrun. But if you carefully tend to it, pulling out the weeds and focusing on the flowers, your garden will flourish. In the same way, Stoicism encourages us to weed out distractions and focus on what's truly important. One practical Stoic technique is to set boundaries with your technology. Epictetus, a famous Stoic philosopher, said, "We suffer not from the events in our lives, but from our judgment about them." Apply this to your use of technology by deciding when and how you'll interact with it. For example, you might choose to check emails only twice a day or set specific times for social media. Another powerful Stoic tool is mindfulness. Before reacting to a notification, pause and ask yourself, "Is this really important right now?" Often, the answer will be no. This simple practice can help you stay focused and avoid unnecessary distractions. Lastly, remember the Stoic practice of reflection. At the end of the day, take a moment to review how well you managed your distractions. Did you stay focused on your goals? Where did you slip? This reflection helps you improve over time, making you less prone to being derailed by technology. So, the next time you feel the pull of your phone or computer, remember that you have the power to choose your response. With Stoic wisdom, you can navigate the digital world without losing sight of what truly matters. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on living a focused and purposeful life. Thanks for watching.